Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, northwestern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, western LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near LaGrange to near Millersburg to near Goshen to Dunlap, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Ligonier, Dunlap, Middlebury, Topeka, Millersburg, New Paris, Benton, Shipshewana, Hunneville, Eddy, Waterford Mills and Emma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, LaGrange and Noble.